Okay, hold. Come on, here. Beautiful. This is our hotel, guys. This is the view.
Y ya tendríamos que ir para allá, mira, ese es el edificio que está ahí azul, en cristalera, es justamente debajo de ese edificio, ese es el palacio. Sacarmeのこういう足とか重いとかあるやろ。重くて。
It's the view. Naalog siya kasi naglalakad kami. Let's later, we'll take a picture there. Doon kami galing kanina sa kabila. Wait. Okay. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. It looks like Dubai. Yeah. Para siyang Dubai. Diba guys, explore Dubai and Sydney. Sydney in the Dubai. Ayan siya. Marine Hall. Okay, we can go there. We can see. Papa is there in the parking. Wow, in the ocean, Abby. We go there. Wow. Wow. It's really, really look, dangerous the water. Just hold it. Hold. Hold. Ayan guys, tapos ayun yung hotel namin. Yung view, nandun kami na site. Tapos in this one, ayan yung mall, Mosaic Mall. And ito. Ayan, tapos ito yung tower. And the tower